here with my bushum. Be here with me fear. Men pay with so with my bushum.
Ma, stop it. I don't like that, ma. Stop it. Stop it.
Guy, I consider Toma Usika. What bodam papa?
I am Misiko.
Osai.
Oh, what bodam papa?
I am Misika.
How did you even got to know I'm here, ma? I promise you don't. Oh, really? So you did. Jesus.
Bodam.
Because I'm a German. What? Hey,
Ma, just leave me. Ma, chief. No, ma, I don't like what
Moko, Yamecha. That is what about Hamburg. Let me back. No, I'm coming. I love you. I'm coming back for you. I'm not younger, yeah? Anything I'm doing, what's this? What's this? How does this? Me pedi on me yen. Me pedi on me yen. Awo debe no. Debe no. Nesa be na wom sese. Debe na me ye. Debe na me ye.
Wo frese wo ya wan.
Me frese me ya wan sese. Ma me frese me. You are stupid enough, yeah? Do you think you want your juma here, right? What is the one your juma now, yeah? What is the one your juma now, yeah? You are stupid. What do you want? Me ma pomo ade shede besi. Ma pomo shede besi. What kind of stupidity is this?
I don't want to stupid.
Bro, see this. Say me girlfriend is down. Now I be embarrassing me. What pussy down now way? Ma do think I was somebody to
Hey, calm down. Hey, calm down. Why? Mommy, that's all now.
When you cry, when men was so neighbor. When you know me or the man was young.
Yeah, no me.
What was that to a few crone what the cat did to a boom? Young Casey, no confronting your cat one. Oh, any friending. Shall it?
Mom, I'm not sick. Mom, don't insult me. Don't insult me, yeah?
Shall it?
I don't blame anybody. I blame you stupid guy.
Stop it. I don't know. Look at funny friend with Tibo Mana. About
me relationship. Don't talk about it. Don't talk about it. Don't let me be. Don't let me get this. Ma, put on me.
I don't know.
Are you okay?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? It's cool. Why should I come here?
The friend is
there. Okay, you must have found. I didn't hear
you. Hey. No, I'm advising what I say. The friend is that over there to Chamo.
Soon we've been in me, Emma say, Mamma, minute in Bayes. Huh? I could see door. How many years the winning after so do? I said, Mamma, that mean to Mamma as sir. So maybe you could catch them say, who could feel Mamma no ready because sound me idea. Then it's not all of a sudden winning idea.
I mean, Nipa.
I can't say Nipa. I'm sorry, Mamma Banissa. I'm so Daco, that should be. It will be okay. What's it? Me too, no way. To know I'll be okay. Maybe bye. I'll my say, who swing ma? Baby, Nina be query yo. Oh, what I say, May Papa debut, sunny way, ain't in so beautiful. Sunny way, uncle, everyone. I don't know my song, my song, my. Maripa bebo, Maripa beba debio, and may you best be. Now what's one name? I just syndrome say a young cassa. What's it?
Senea Metiasi. My job, Yamana was me who hear the pass.
Mansa, then I will. Makacha was some go home out. The Nancy piano. Kachako Swati, and then in phone so. Why, Monsieur Jay soon. My uncle. So now on your way. When you see dear, I'm in person. Say, when you see you are not Makuma. Monsieur, why? And nobody did. Don't be a Kamayamo. I can't see me so.
Condo she.
Condo. Me and do now. I'm a fact to say, Bengu. Now, Benguni.
Minty.
No, ye.
I'll be sharing tears. Look at you. Because of all these junkie. You have turned to junkie if you don't want. You are a junkie nigga, bro. That manager advise me for what? No. A junkie to advise me. A junkie like you to advise me. Yo, bro. So, man. You are falling. So, man. Oko American in all your life. You're now here. Oko American in all your life. You're now here. Junkie boys now the bar. That I hate what you are doing, man. I'm not a kid. I'm not a younger. Come with me. This is just give me my fucking freedom. Let me do what I want to do.
Oh, come on now.
Oh, the other say.
Oh, come on now.
Come with me.
Oh, come.
Fanako inside.
Oh, come on now.
I say, Fakwisi Peniko inside. Stand now.
That I'm listening to you, eh?
Akwesi, de bia makachro. To boase, take your time, relax. To boase. Last time come baby chira say someone sash will be no more. Yambona pumpem. So how many times do you want me to tell you this?
That but I'm not so younger, yeah? I'm not some younger. Yema be on. My bottom so you're talking to me. Oh, kasache me anyhow. Huh? Akwesi penny ma bet my answer. Because say I'm so humble, I'm so sober too. Mom thinks she can talk to me anyway.
Hey. She's still your mom. Be careful.
And this me, Dad. This me. It should be a case. You're Europe. Come on, bet I got him say, Akwesi, do this, do that. No.
Akwesi, in all, don't forget your tradition, where you are coming from, your roots. We are not in Europe. I have been behind you, supporting you and Mansa all this while. So if I'm speaking to you, you must listen to me. Huh? One will say, "Ye kasa boko ensakeme bufo."
Daddy, how many times am many mama and Jina Hall and I ain't in kasa in a quiet way? But I don't know what's wrong with mommy. I don't know why she's always barking like a dog, yeah?
No matter what.
America, Massiria, me aboma, but they are Magana. Eh?
Oh, madam.
When Jamaica folk was
oh, they really say so.
What are you saying, ma? Massiria, me aboma, basso. When Jamaica for a dumb casino, when Jamaica. What dumb na open a million? America, and we save many aseba. Now, so what are you talking about? But damn, a candy said Jimmy go funny friendly. Or by that to channel. What are you to know? Sausage, you want a couple. Onka, no worry. Onka. What I mean, I
will say the pa. Didn't say
we need any sin.
Do I friendly?
Aye. And I'm out here from so dear.
I been a
wow, Obama, I go find a friend. I
said, I'm all bow no green. Or the green.
Or some friend nothing.
What's it?
Hey, wouldn't be all day.
No offer. The friend and offer.
I love you. I want us to solve this problem amicably. So one more form. Now this matter cannot be solved. Because to me, in fact, I get way and solve the issue. I need to calm everybody down. Then we sit down, then we reason together. We need to come together and reason together as a family. Misrel, Brafom. No matter how high your mom goes, calm down. It's not one I have bofra. No, let me ask you a question. Do you love Mansa?
Daddy, you know I love her.
Number 2, do you really want to get together with her?
Yeah, Daddy, you know it.
It means you don't want to lose her.
Yeah.
So why are you doing this? Do you know that this can lead you to lose her? Because you cannot rise against your mom. Come down. Come down. And so they are enijin ewa warenim. Enya awerɛhoɔ ne gidigidi ne abufu. Now the word no person mama baby and say on person baby. Marriage no person can ho na some person can. No. So calm down. Just calm down. Control yourself.
Dad, you have to talk to her.
Listen, I will.
Maybe I will use certain language on her.
Don't ever do that. No matter how angry you become, control yourself, son. Control yourself. Probably this is one of the tests you need to go through to get this woman. This is one of the price you need to pay to get this woman. If you really truly love her, do this for her. Because of her, you didn't. Just calm down, okay?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Take it easy, okay? I'm sorry. Take it easy, okay? But we see so there, men gidi one so. No. On so buy and check.
You only anything now. Poke your nose. No one know what you mean. What's this?
Yeah.
Huh? Akosi will always be Akosi, yeah. Okay.
He's your senior brother. Don't forget that. Yeah? Okay.
But what do you need again? That's my sister on near man will be abrunt and open them view.
I'm here to say I'm sorry for everything, you know. It wasn't my intention to hide all these things from you, but I thought it passed and gone, and there was no way I'm going to, meet her again in my life. But it's unfortunate I met her when I came to Ghana. I'm really sorry for everything. But, baby, see, there's nothing like me going back to her, never. That never happened. After the whole incident, she has been begging me, coming to my place and stuff, but I always threw her out because I don't love her. And I will never love her again. Babe, what I want you to understand is that we all have past, right? And you have your own past, I have my own past, but as a meme past, no, you sue against me now, and it's not good. Please, I'm here to say I'm sorry for everything. Come back to me.
Papa J, the lover boy. Papa J, the motivational speaker. I'll be our past. There was one in the past. I have my past. But you know why I'm missing to me Nabium. The fact that one cannot cry and tremble. I'm not using your past against you. Because whatever transpired between you and I, but my point is, and I'll be home say Osaya madam for then Ananka was away. And no one some namene walk, so don't be coming here begging me.
That's why I'm here. Someone to me and come.
You know what? Makacha will say, may see me fear has saved you.
I'm
done with you. I can't be with a liar, a pretender. Because my problem is uncle sell kumi uncle kumekwa. Minti me no ntinabum, and no one free has say na call. The next time Papa Jame who me fear see me pay your confirm in wabo. Yes, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. The next time me who fear say be me pay wa confirm my yasho. Said the bear one casano.
Oh, it's fine.
Fear say na call.
It's okay, it's fine.
Motivational speaker. Everyone has a past. Me were past. Uba na oka no kwene chere me a anka we na anka ebesi ba beja ka chem say everyone has a past.